It all started with a goal, to win a world championship title. In 2007, we debuted our first 8-scale buggy, the factory team RC8. The following year, Neil Craig drove his RC8 to first place at the 2008 BRCA Nationals, taking the first step of many towards our ultimate goal. Later that year also marked our first entry into the IFMAR World's 1/8 category, where Ryan Mayfield and Ryan Cavallari started in the first and second position for the final. Improvements were made to the RC8 platform, and in 2009 the RC8B was released. Later that year, Ryan Mayfield was victorious at the Dirt Nitro Challenge. Ryan Cavallari would back that up with a win in 2010 and also a win at the Silver State Nitro Challenge. Still, we wanted more. Engineers continued to make changes, and in 2011, the RC8.2 was released. Ryan Cavallari would drive the new RC8.2 to the company's first ever Roar National title in the 1/8 Nitro category. Eventually, a totally new car was in the works to be tentatively named the RC8B2. Unfortunately, even though the car was complete and ready to hit the market, team drivers and engineers felt it wasn't performing as it should and scrapped the project in the last minute. Starting from scratch and testing multiple vehicle configurations, the decision was made to proceed with the pillowball style front end, and testing over the next couple of years began. In September of 2014, Ryan Cavallari came the closest to accomplishing the goal of world champion, taking second place at the IFMAR Worlds in Italy, alongside top British and French drivers Neil Craig and Yannick Aguin. Over the next year, Ryan Cavallari would go on to place second at the 2015 Dirt Nitro Challenge and again at the Silver State Nitro Challenge, driving the latest RC8 prototype. It was Cavallari's major victory at the 2015 NEO race that the team and engineers knew they finally had a car ready for the market, and the RC8B3 was released. The following year, Spencer Rivkin would become 2016 Roar National Champion, driving the RC8B3. In 2017, the buggy got another update, and the RC8B3.1 was released. Our newest addition to the team, young Italian superstar Davide Ongaro, took the new buggy to victory at the 13th annual Neo Buggy Race. And here we are, in 2018, a decade after we set our sights on a 1/8 IFMAR Off-Road Championship. All the hard work was about to pay off. It would be young 1/8 scale prodigy Davide who would accomplish the long-time goal and bring home the title for Team Associates' first IFMAR 1/8 scale World Championship.
Time.